In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit Google passwords. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on your Google account and tap on the preferable one. In my case, this one. Then select Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now you need to click on one of your added passwords. Over here, I will go with Facebook. Enter your current login method and click on Edit. Now change all of your data however you want to, and when you finished, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully edited. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!